Yo! Starting off with Earn My Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. I'm about to pull up to the restaurant, and they just messaged me saying, I will tip after delivery. Like, why even lie? What's the point of that?
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. That's where you get it. So I was circling around trying to find their apartment building. Why did I pass it? Because 2 of the 5 numbers in their building number were just not there. And it was locked, so enjoy. Yep, that was a no tip. How did I know? How did I know? Total for that was $4. And then nothing for the next 20 minutes and counting. We're going to Donut Nook for a stack because they just gave me an add-on. I believe the total mileage is going to be about 7 miles for both. Morning. I've got 2 orders. I've got, is that Janine and Claudia?
There you go.
Thank you. That one was really difficult to find. I had to circle around twice because the GPS didn't even know where I was going. Morning.
Good morning.
There's that.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day. Didn't even get to see how much I got paid for that because I got the next orders right away. Got a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is going 5.5 miles. Oh, this is actually going to the same customer. I think they just ordered twice.
Just one order?
It's both.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Figured she just forgot her orange juice the first time around.
Perfect.
Thank you. Okay, total for that one was $10, and I'm at $30 right now, which means the previous stack was $16. Got this next order right away. This is a Burger King. This one's high mileage, and I mean high mileage. This is going 9 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that one was $16. Was that worth it? Not really, because I don't want to be in this area right now. Next order up is a McDonald's. This is $9, going just under 6 miles.
Here for the pickup.
Yes.
I just finished it.
Yes, that one. Thank you.
No problem.
Got this as I was dropping off. It is a Wendy's, $9, going 4 miles.
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you today?
It's gonna be a quick second on that order, so I suppose we can park in these front yellow lines and I'll bring it out to you. Thank you.
That's not a good sign.
Order for you, sir. There you are. And 3 drinks for you. Have a good morning, sir.
You too. Please don't. This scares me. I'm gonna be mad. Next order is a Jack in the Box. This is going 4.5 miles. Total for that was $9, and got the next one right away. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is going right back to McDonald's. It is $7 going 2.5 miles. Total for that one was $6. Got a stack going to the same person. We've got Jack in the Box and McDonald's. These are going 7 miles.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I knew as soon as I turned onto the street where this was going, and I remembered from last time. That's a no tip. Total for that was $10. Been sitting around for about 10 minutes. Finally got something. This is a 7-Eleven, $7 going 3.5 miles.
There you go.
Will you back for those two?
Yep.
Okay, we're not using that elevator again. Alright, that's enough for me. Time to go home. Current time is 10:06. Current total is 101, and just waiting on the tip for that last order, which should bring it up to like 106, maybe 107. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.